Said it's your boy Ghost. It's Sneak on my own TV. He said, I got him sprung off the viciousness. I'm the type to hit his face through the bottom of that bottle while he sipping it. It's plain to see that he a chicken shit. And everybody know he hold a gun, but he never spit with it. So what's the point for you to hold heat and risk them felonies when the only thing you gonna smoke's weed? And you don't know me, yet you won't flow free till I leave a thick red stain through the whole tee. The hood looking like a traffic jam. It ain't December, but we still move snow like an avalanche. When I'm bagging grams, always keep my straps in hand, mixing up ingredients that get me called the Magic Man. All my soldiers live to do or die, and it don't matter if we do or die, as long as you know who am I. I ain't from Marcy, but I'ma bring the rock in here. Hollow tips got these bitches swaying like a rocking chair. And I ain't playing, you get shot in here. Cause this ain't that lane block that you from, kid. It's poppin' here. I'm on TV. Big moves.